Okay, so now,
Yeah, no. I think these screws, we got to take these out.
okay, babe, you need to eat this. Chicken feet, this is our challenge. Look, try. Okay, Kelly, look. Good.
Are you kidding? No.
Yes.
No, they don't
This
even.
is good for you.
Ew.
Come on.
Ew.
Huh?
Talaga?
This is yummy, honey.
Good.
Just try.
Not
You want to
lamay.
be a Filipino, right?
Hindi lame.
Hindi lami. This is lami, babe.
Lentil?
Yeah.
No feet?
Try. Just try, honey. This is good for you. You like Filipino food, right?
Nah.
No, just try. Come on. Okay, just a little bit. Yeah.
No, that's not a little bit.
Okay.
A little
Okay.
bit's like-
Okay. Oh, wow. You
A
eat
little bit's
now.
like that. Oh, no.
Come on. Okay.
Like that.
Okay. Then eat. It's good, right? What do you feel?
It's all bone. No meat.
No meat though.
No meat.
Okay. Mark my word. This one is
That's a
So-
keeper. That's the only one. All right.
say something. What you feel? It's good.
Yeah, I didn't. It tastes good, but there's no meat. It's only bone.